Imagine sitting in your driveway and your car suddenly cranks while it is still in drive, or maybe it refuses to start at all even though you are clearly in park. This is the frustrating reality of the P07B4 code, which is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code that affects many modern vehicles across the United States. This specific error code means your powertrain control module, which we call the P07B4, has detected a high output voltage in the transmission park position sensor or switch circuit labeled as I. Your car is basically getting a signal that is way outside of the normal range, and it makes the brain of your vehicle very confused about whether it is safe to engage the starter motor. Since this is a safety feature designed to prevent your car from jumping forward and hitting something when you turn the key, the P07B4 will often lock things down to protect you. You will definitely see the check engine light or the service engine soon light glowing on your dashboard. The most common symptoms include a vehicle that simply will not start because the starter won't engage, or a very dangerous situation where the starter actually engages while the vehicle is still in gear. You might also find that your transmission is physically stuck and will not shift out of park, or it might refuse to click into the park position correctly when you arrive at your destination. The common causes behind this trouble code usually point toward a defective transmission park position sensor or switch itself, but it could also be a corroded or damaged connector tucked away under your chassis. Damaged or faulty wiring from years of driving through salt on winter roads, or even a defective P07B4 could be the culprit. To fix this, you should first research the technical service bulletins or TES for your specific vehicle to see if there is a known factory issue. Then you need to perform a very thorough visual inspection of all wiring and connectors for any signs of rubbing or bare wires. You will need a digital multimeter, which is a DVOM, to check the voltage requirements, which change depending on your specific year and model. If you find the correct voltage going into the switch but nothing coming out of it, then the sensor has failed internally. If you are not comfortable testing continuity or digging into a complex wiring harness, you should take your car to a professional mechanic immediately, because a car that starts in gear is a serious hazard to everyone around you. Getting this fixed quickly will keep your car reliable and your family safe on the road.